So when I finish recording my videos, most of my videos, not all, just most of them, I edit them on InShot. Not editing in the sense of adding filter or making it. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ify Artistry. If this is your first time seeing my videos, you are highly welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming here. Okay guys, so in today's video I am here to teach you guys the reason why my video quality does not drop. So a lot of people have been asking, how do you do that? Even when I upload on Instagram, we all know that Instagram reduces the video quality. Even on WhatsApp, when I upload my videos on WhatsApp, my video quality does not drop, and a lot of people keep asking me why and how are you able to do that, because probably when they upload their videos, like, it drops and all that. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be giving you the reasons why my video quality does not drop. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to talk about is my light setup. You cannot use a bad light settings and you expect your video to be good. First of all, you have to achieve a good video for you to now upload it and the quality is not going to reduce. Okay, so you have to first of all have a good lighting. You have to like best lighting. If you're using natural light, it's very okay. You can use your natural light and record. Just make sure you are less facing directly opposite the light that you are filming with. And again, you can be using your light, just like I use my YN216 lights, and I do use my LED 660. You can use any light and just position them very well. Make sure that the lights are directing on the client. If you are filming yourself, make sure the lights are directing on you. I'll really advise for you not to bring the light very close to you. Like, my light is very far away from me, like very far. I'm telling you, the lights are not close, but they're actually directing on me wherever they are. Not extremely, I don't mean extremely far. Okay, so whatever the light is, make sure like the light is on you. Another thing I'm going to talk about is like when you want to record your videos, make sure, I will always say that, I will always advise, make sure you use a paper towel and use it and clean the back of your camera. So this is not the phone I record with. So the phone that is recording this video right now is my 12 Pro Max, but I'm going to use SS Max and show you guys. So first of all, I'm going to make sure I clean the back of my camera. This is one of the most important things that people do skip. If you don't clean, I clean my camera like every minute, not just cleaning the camera, not cleaning it because people say you should clean the camera. Clean it because you want to make sure that this lens is clean. So like after cleaning, I have to check it to make sure the lens, there is no atom of dirt on the lens. So clean your lens very well. It's so important. I'm telling you, it's so important. I don't just clean because they say I should clean. I just do it like this and leave it. No, if I finish cleaning and I look at the lens and I'm still seeing any mark for anything, I have to go ahead and clean it again. So make sure your lens is so clean. It's so important. This is one of the most important things, I'm telling you. So make sure you clean your lens very well. Another thing that we're going to talk about is your settings in your phone. So that there are actually some settings that you're going to actually be filming with. I don't know. I'm going to try and show you guys the settings on my phone. I'm going to show you guys a video of my camera settings. Because the settings actually play a good role in you getting a good like quality video. Okay, so like filming in 4K is very important. It's very okay. So just I have to really go back to my settings to be able to tell you guys, like, okay, so this is the settings of my SS Max. So there's one funny thing, the settings of my SS Max is actually different from the settings of 12 Pro Max, because the two phones are not the same thing. Even though it's the same company that produced it, the cameras are not the same, so the settings of the phones are so different. So don't go and think that, oh, because you have SS Max, if you now get 12 Pro Max, you're going to use the same settings, you're not going to achieve a good video. Make sure that each phone you get, you use a particular settings that is good for that phone. Of course, I can only know the settings for the ones I use. I wouldn't know until I touch another phone, because one funny thing, so when I got my 12 Pro Max, I was thinking that the settings is going to be the same thing. So I was really having issues recording my videos. I was really having issues. I was having issues with I was like, now, I think one of the major things that actually improved the quality of my videos in the 12 Pro Max is that I turned off the HDR. So the HDR video, I think if you have 12 Pro Max, you're going to see like under the settings on the camera, you're going to see a smart HDR or something. So turn it off. So once that goes off, you're good to go. Okay, so look at what I'm talking about. Record video at 4K 60 FPS. So when you record videos at 4K 60 FPS, I think is actually way better than you using 1080 PHD at 30 FPS. I don't know, but 4K is the best. So I don't really know the work of the 4K, but I know it makes your video sharp and it makes your everything like more nice, other than other ones you can actually record with. So there are equally other things. I think I'm going to really upload the as I'm talking about this, I'm going to really upload my video settings I'm going to talk about, so that you guys will know each, especially the SS Max. I think SS Max and my 7 Plus are pretty the same thing. The only difference is the 12 Pro Max. That is the higher version of iPhone. So you can actually, probably just from that, set your phone. That's another thing that can actually improve your video quality. And that thing again is this. So when I don't know, this is just one trickish and one small something people might not really know about. So when I put on my phone to record, okay, for example, I don't know how I'm going to do this. Okay, so I think you guys are seeing it. So I put on my phone to record. I won't just put this phone on and press record immediately. I'm going to put my phone on. I'm going to wait for a while for my phone camera to actually settle down before I press play. It's very, very important. I don't just put on the phone and I'm going to begin to record. No, when I put on the phone, like when I set it on, I'm going to give it time. I don't mean time like 5 hours or 2 minutes. No, just like seconds. It's going to settle, the lightning and everything is just going to come together and everything is going to be okay. Then I'm going to press play. Another thing you would want is, the only time I don't do that is when I'm recording myself. So another thing you are going to want to do is when you want to start recording your videos, right? Make sure you touch whatever object you are recording. So if it's me now recording myself, I don't know. So I don't know if my face is showing. Okay, showing. So before I begin to record this video, I'm going to touch my face and let this yellow box in the middle be at my face. That way the focus of this whole video is going to be on my face. That is going to make the video more sharp and more clear. Do you understand me? So that equally helps. So if you want to, because sometimes you'll be recording, you wouldn't know that the concentration and the focus is not on the objects you are recording, on the person you are recording, and you're just recording. It might be a mess, because at the end of the day you might end up achieving a blurry video. It actually happens to me, because when I record myself, I cannot touch it. If you do, the camera is not going to be okay. So I can't equally lock the video. So another thing I do when I record people is that I lock. Okay, yeah. So another thing I do when I record people is I lock the screen of my phone. So that in that way, so once I've focused the video on the person I'm recording, I'm just going to lock the screen there, so that it's not going to change anything again. So when I place like this, I'm going to press and hold until it locks the camera. Here you can see. So the AE/AF lock is going to just lock the screen, and you're going to record that way. So I cannot equally record my videos without locking it if I'm working on a client. But working on myself, I cannot lock it, because of course I'm facing the camera direct, so it's not possible. Another thing we are going to talk about is uploading your videos. So when you want to upload on Instagram, so I think there's a settings on Instagram. Not I think, there is. There's a settings on Instagram, because the reason why I'm thinking, I'm trying to remember how the settings is, but I don't know. Yeah, as well. So when you are uploading your video, you have an option of actually making your video making it upload in high quality or something like that. Yeah, so your video is going to upload in a high quality, so in that way it doesn't really drop the quality of your video. So another thing that I'm going to talk about uploading your videos and making sure everything is okay is so when I finish recording my videos, most of my videos, not all, just most of them, I edit them on InShot. Not editing in the sense of adding filter or making it what I don't know. No, editing in the sense that I go and sharpen the video. So sharpening the video helps you not to lose quality as well. So sharpening the video is very, very important. That one is not, in fact, it's going to bring out the raw work more. Because sometimes when you finish recording, you'll notice that, I don't know, there is this, like, just like a bug on the face. It's not as clear and as neat as it is on in real life. But sometimes when you just sharpen the video, it makes it more clear and more brighter. I don't know if you understand. So that way, if you have sharpened the video and you now upload it on Instagram, it's going to drop quality. Like, I mean, I don't mean that my videos don't drop quality. They do drop quality, but not as much as people's videos drop. It's going to drop, but just like, imagine if my video drops quality and as clear as people see it. Do you think, have you ever asked yourself how it is in real life? Like, sorry, no, how the video is, how they come out in my phone? That means it comes out way better than it comes out in, like, the way it is when I upload them. I don't know if you understand me. So that is another thing. So make sure, like, I use InShot app. So InShot app, what are you telling me? Allow, I don't know what this I should allow, allow, whatever. So I use the InShot app. I hope you guys know what is InShot though. So this is InShot, because the reason why I do it in this app is because this app does not reduce the quality at all. So if you take your videos into InShot or CapCut, they do not reduce quality. There are some places that you're going to edit your videos is going to reduce quality. Just like if you use your normal phone the edits on your phone, you know how you see pictures back. Let me look for a video or a picture. You guys will not catch me on fresh. All right, so this is actually just a video of me of this my face and all that. So this particular thing, so there's an edit on top of the phone. There's an edit here, you can see it. So when you click on the edit, you see that you can actually edit your videos. Okay, sorry. When you click on it, you're going to see adjust. Yeah, so when you see adjust, you can see that there are actually options for you to do some things on the phone. Yeah, so if you do it from here, I promise you the video quality is going to drop before you even save it on your phone. Before you now talk of uploading it, it drops the video quality. I realize that, and I don't use that. So if you want to actually edit your videos, like maybe sharpen the video more or do one or two things, honestly, what sharpening does to the video is that it actually brings out more what you did. So if you want smoothness, don't do sharpen. If you sharpen your video, if there's an error in that makeup, that's when it's going to actually come out. Okay, I do sharpen all my YouTube videos because, of course, I want them to be more clear and more pronounced, if I would say that. So that actually helps. If you finish sharpening the video and you go and edit it now, sorry, I mean, like, making it smooth, you're going to lose whatever you have done, the sharpness you have actually given to the video. Because when I'm working, it's very important for me to see the pores of the person I'm working on. Like, my girls, when I was in Nigeria, my girls know that I tell you to make sure you are seeing the pores of my clients if you are watching. Because when I'm working, it's so important to me that somebody has to actually stand at the back of my phone and be watching it. That is your own duty. That is the particular person's job, is to check my phone and not checking it, just stand there, so that if anything goes wrong in the video, you let me know, right? So when that is happening, you'll be able to, I'll tell you to let me know. If you're no longer seeing the pause, that means the person have moved, the focus have moved away from that person. I have to re-edit and readjust everything. Okay, so it's very important for you to make sure you are seeing pause. Make sure you are seeing the sharpness first before you even think of, because you cannot be recording video that is blurry. Even if your video is too blur and you now go to sharpen it, it's still going to be horrible. So you have to actually, to an extent, have something nice before you think of making it look more beautiful. I don't know, because honestly, really, this is the first time I'm making this kind of video without actually putting anything down. I think I just have these things at the back of my mind because, of course, I know what I'm going to talk about. I think I'm actually done with the points I have. If I have another point, probably I'm going to leave it later. Another thing that you're going to do if you want to make your videos clear is to actually do a nice job, because if your job is not good, there is nothing that you're going to do that is going to make that video good. Okay, guys, so with these few points of mine, I hope I've been able to convince you, not to confuse you, that you can actually upload your videos and they are going to be sharp and they're going to be beautiful and nice without you doing without you doing extremely too much. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching or sticking by. I am going to see you guys next time. Bye.